Today is National Bioenergy Day, meant to show the importance of the industry. Bioenergy is big business in the city. Both the City of Prince George and the University of Northern BC are heavily invested in projects to not only reduce their reliance on fossil fuels, but reduce their greenhouse gas emissions. They are also seen as examples others can follow.
UNBC is on schedule to get 650 meters of pipe from its bioenergy plant to the residences, the daycare and the Enhanced Forestry Lab into the ground in mid-November, with plans to add those facilities to the energy grid next year. It's a project of firsts for UNBC, the first pipe to be placed into the ground from the energy plant, and the pipe itself is unique to the continent.
It's a piping loop, so there's a supply line and a return line. What we're doing is we're running the supply and the return in a single set of insulation and a jacket around it to keep the water out. So that's a first for North America. It's been done, as I mentioned, in Europe, but this is the first time that anybody's done the steel pipe twin jacket in North America.
The Wood Innovation and Design Centre is the final facility to be added to the city's bioenergy grid. While it's too early in production to weigh in on the financial gains for the city, there are still a host of other pluses.
Reductions in particulate matter in the city's airshed, reduction in the greenhouse gases used by individual buildings. So that allows the cities and its customers to meet its greenhouse gas reduction goals, and also that reliance on non-renewable fossil fuels. So there is a reduction in that reliance.
The Wood Innovation and Design Centre is the 8th building on the bioenergy system, but this isn't the end of plans. The hope is to have other downtown structures added, though there does need to be a business case for it.
It needs to be a load that would allow the justification for the cost to sign up onto that system. So there's the design and the distance from the district energy system piping that's in existence, but then also the load of that building.
From the beginning, the university made a conscious decision around its system design to make that business case more appealing both environmentally and economically.
The university, once this is done, we own and we operate our heat distribution network. That's something that can have tremendous benefits for communities. I toured a bunch of communities in Finland where 50% of their revenue for the community was coming not from their tax base, but from the fact that they owned their district heating system. And they own the infrastructure to deliver heat to the residents of the community.
The university is also building this system with an eye to future expansion. Cheryl Jan, CKPG News.